How to withdraw trial cash on Palmpay. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can do this easily. So make sure you watch the video carefully so that you don't miss any of the steps in this process. So if you have some extra mobile airtime you don't need, then you can convert it into cash using the recharge to cash feature. So you need to select the network and enter the verification code that is sent to your phone. Then you need to choose the amount in order to convert and confirm the conversion. Palmpay offer cashbacks and discounts for various transactions within the application like bill payments, data recharge, and cable TV subscriptions. While you can't directly withdraw these, so you can use them for future transactions within the application, effectively saving real cash. These are some of the ways with the help of which you will be able to withdraw your trial cash on Palmpay. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.